ExtenSolar introduces its innovative BIPV waterproof mounting system, expertly crafted to seamlessly integrate solar panels into buildings. Its design merges a sleek appearance with practical utility, enhancing the aesthetics and enabling green energy generation. Groundbreaking waterproof architecture incorporates longitudinal and horizontal water tanks, skillfully integrated to channel water away, ensuring unmatched reliability and protection against the elements. Additionally, the product is engineered to endure high wind loads, making it a robust solution even in harsh weather conditions. Created with functionality in mind, the system features an adjustable angle for optimal sun alignment, enhancing power production and accommodating versatile module layouts in both portrait and landscape orientations to meet various installation needs. Manufactured from high-quality anodized aluminium to further enhance protection, it promises durability while maintaining visual appeal over time. With a warranty of 10 years and a service life of 25 years, our product is suitable for a diverse range of application scenarios, expertly blending durability, flexibility, and efficiency into one comprehensive package.